Hello again, crafty people. We're doing another collaboration, so here comes an announcement. It's the spring collaboration and it will be released on the 20th of March because that is the spring solstice. So if you'd like to join in, it's the usual sort of arrangement. Film your video, mention that it's part of the collaboration, encourage people to watch everybody else's videos, see if we can get them all binge watching, give them plenty to get their teeth into. And also pop the link for the playlist in your video description. I'll pop that link down in my video description for this little video so that you can just copy and paste it. And then all you need to do is send me the link. Or if you're in Crafty YouTubers United, you can just pop it to me over Discord. If not, then just drop me an email, easy peasy. It's MiniScenesGB@gmail.com. I'll pop that email address down in the video description as well for you. So there you go, it's all nice and easy. Absolutely nobody is excluded. Any channel size, no matter how big or how small, whether it's your 1000th video or your first. Everybody is welcome. Any craft as well. If you do painting, if you do crocheting, if you do wood turning, whatever you fancy. Let's give our viewers a wonderful big job lot of crafts to watch and enjoy on the day. So set your videos to go live on the 20th of March at some point during the day. By 9 o'clock GMT is probably best, because then we can sort of open with a big bang if everybody's go live in the few hours leading up to it. But that's up to you, and I'm also happy to add them for a day or two after as well. I'll be taking links to add to the playlist from the start of March. So set your video to go live on the 20th of March, preferably before 9 PM GMT, because then we can have the maximum impact if they all go live like within the few hours leading up to it. If you can set it as a premiere, then YouTube will allow me to link it in advance. If not, when you send me your link, please then just let me know what time on the 20th it will go live, because then I'll know to look out for it and add it as soon as it goes live. But anybody who's willing to set them as premieres, that really helps, because I can set them up in advance. We can build up the excitement so everybody can see just how many videos we've got ready to go. So I hope you can all join in. If you've got any questions at all, just lob them in the comments below this video, or drop me an email at MiniScenesGB@gmail.com. Look forward to seeing what you all come up with, and this time I've given you a lot more notice, so hopefully we can get everybody involved. Thanks everyone, look forward to seeing your videos.
Paper, thread and tiny beads, you show me how your colors dance, I show you what this pattern needs. Screens are glowing in the evening, different accents, different towns. Still we're laughing at the same jokes, passing all our secrets round. This is the glitter we share, hands and hearts in the air. Oh yeah. From island breeze to winter snow, we're growing together as we go. This is the glitter we share, every stick, every care. World so big, but it feels so small when we're crafting a way for us all.
I'm learning how to take it slow. You fix my tiny crooked corners, I tell you when to let it go. Little wins become our reasons, every try, another chance. Side by side through tired fingers, turning mistakes into a dance.
This is the glitter we share, hands and hearts in the air. From island breeze to winter snow, we're learning together as we grow. This is the glitter we share, every stitch, every care. World so big, but it feels so small when we're crafting a way for us all. Yeah. One more thread, one more day, you lift me up, I light your way. All our skills shining bright, tiny sparks traveling the night. This is the glitter we share, hands and hearts in the air. From quiet rooms to crowded fairs, we're working together, saying prayers. This is the glitter we